Cavite girl! So, guys, let's go for vlog. Guys, let me follow for me.
And subscribe and share and comment down below.
Of course. And my
After 2
guys,
months.
and this is my baby fish.
After 2 months and
After 2 months siya, nung binidyo ko siya. Ngayon, 3 months na siya.
yay!
Oh, guys,
Tamad maglaro.
Guys, sinabihan nyo ng tamad maglaro kasi alam ng bata pa. Di ba, guys? Di ba, guys?
Joke nga lang, guys. Sorry,
Joke lang,
Blooms.
guys. Blooms ko, Jun. Hindi naman
Sorry.
tayo bini, Char.
Sorry. Subscribe.